Hello and welcome to AutoRepair Cloud channel. In this short video, we will tell you about the updates that were added in our last release. And so, here are the global changes we made to our application. The first thing we added is an offline mode for the web version of the application. Now, you can work with the application offline. In this mode, you can add new customers and create repair orders. After going online, you simply need to confirm the newly added information. The next thing that has been updated is fluids recommendations. They are located in technical information in the fluids section. A list of recommended oils that can be used for this vehicle are displayed here. At the bottom of the page, an oil viscosity recommendation graph is added. Click on the Info button in order to learn more about the viscosity of the oils. We have fulfilled the request of our users and added the ability to chat using WhatsApp Messenger. You don't need to have a WhatsApp account. Instead, the customer should initiate a conversation by scanning the QR code and sending any message in the open chat. Customer must have an active WhatsApp account. You can set this up in the section called Configuration Business Flow Communications. We have also added personal working hours settings for every worker. For that, go to Configuration, My Profile, My Schedule to set up your personal work schedule. The Auto Parts section also received some updates, which include new part order page layout, new inventory page layout, adding local part suppliers, include suppliers with manual purchase, improved parts search accuracy. In the near future, we will release a video with details and video instructions on how this works. Other updates that have been added are OBD diagnostics improvements, rearranged configuration section, performance improvements, and bug fixes. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you find these improvements useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our updates, new videos, and tutorials.